guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cleaning and decorating the living room for fall, and I am so excited. But before we get into the cleaning and the decorating, I'm just going to give you guys an overview of the living room and kind of let you know where everything is from, because I always get so many questions about everything, so I just kind of want to go over it. So a lot of you always ask about the sofa, and it's from Z Gallery. It's called the Stella Chase Sectional. It's the two-piece, and I have ours in the color Bella Gray. So it's a very comfortable couch. I will say it doesn't really hold its shape that well. So once you sit on it, you will be able to tell that you've sat on it, if that makes sense. And we also have the matching cutler, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an overview because we will be getting a new sofa really soon. I really just wanted something that keeps its shape a little bit better and doesn't look messy after you sit on it. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see the new one. And this year for the fall decor, I wanted it to be very cozy and inviting, so I went with a very neutral color palette. I did a lot of cream colors. I really love this pillow cover. I got this from Etsy and I just think it looks really nice. The rug is from Overstock. I love the color. The color really just helps pull everything together in the room. It has cream and grays, so I think it looks really great. I also get a lot of questions about the coffee table, and it's actually from Wayfair. I got it a few years ago and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the style of it and I just think it's very elegant, and I think I'll be able to have this piece for a very long time. No matter how I do my living room, I feel like this table always just looks really nice, and I love the way that I styled the coffee table for fall. I think it just looks really cozy. So yeah, I'm really into the cozy vibes. And the console table on the back wall is another piece that I've had for quite some time. So in our previous home, this was in the foyer. I purchased this from Z Gallery, and the mirror above that console table is also from Z Gallery, and the end tables that I have in here are from Amazon. I don't think they have these exact ones anymore, but if I can find them, I will link them below. And we recently got a new TV that I am so excited about. This is the 2020 LG OLED G10 TV, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So we have the 77-inch, and I love the way that it looks in the space. This TV actually has a gallery mode, which is my favorite. So it showcases framed artwork, which really helps add to the decor aspect. And I really put a lot of time into decorating the space. So I love that the TV is adding to it. I love how it goes through the different artwork. It has the frame around it, so it really just looks like you have a beautiful piece of art hanging on the wall. And it has a very thin design, and this is really nice, you guys. So there's no gap from the wall, and that just helps the TV blend in effortlessly into the space. So I really have been enjoying this TV, and I love the overall look. So yeah, if you're looking to upgrade your space, definitely check out the LG OLED G10 TV. It'll really add an elegant and beautiful decor aspect to the room. Now we're going to start with the decorating. So here's a quick before, and I stripped the room of all of the summer decor. I wanted to start with a blank canvas. So I'm starting off by decorating the coffee table, and I wanted to clean it first. So I'm using the sprayway cleaner. So when decorating the coffee table, I always like to start with a tray. I got this one from Home Goods. It's just a very simple mirrored tray. I also like to do things that are high and low in height. I feel like that really just keeps it interesting. And any type of little knick-knack, like the beads I got from Kirkland's. I got the bowl fillers from TJ Maxx, and the little sign is from At Home. It's always nice to add a book and a candle, and this candle is from Home Goods. this year it would be a really cute idea to decorate the fireplace. I've never really decorated it quite like this, so I started off with a basket and I wanted to make it really nice and cozy, so I decided to add this throw blanket and also a pillow and this cute little pumpkin. I'm also adding this cute little sign, and I think this might be from Big Lots, and I also decided to add another pumpkin, and I think it turned out really cute. And now moving on to the sofa, I'm just fluffing the cushions a little bit, and this is something that I have to do quite often just to keep it looking really nice and neat and not have like that I've been sitting here look, if that makes any sense. That's one of the main reasons that I wanted to get something new, something that doesn't really take as much maintenance. But I'm adding these beautiful pillows that I got from Etsy. I absolutely love these. It's actually just the pillow cover that I got from Etsy, but they're really beautiful. I love the cream color.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly.
And now I'm gonna start on the end table, so I just wanted to take everything off and get it clean before I started decorating.
You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where.
I'm adding these coffee table books back. I figured that I would use these for the fall decor, and these are mainly from Amazon and Etsy. I'm also going to add these little beads from Kirkland's, and the floral arrangement, I made this last year. I had it on the kitchen island last year, but I thought it would be nice here. And I'm also going to add a candle, and I love this little candle holder. I got it from Bath & Body Works.
I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's so.
I'm gonna decorate the fireplace mantle a little. I didn't want to add too much, but just a few pieces to kind of spruce it up. So I'm adding these little candles and also some pumpkins. I got these pumpkins from At Home, and I think they're really cute because they add a nice touch of glam. You guys know I love the glam, and my LG TV is looking beautiful.
You fly back to me. You're like a dream.
So now I'm gonna also decorate this back console table. So I just decided to add a few pumpkins, and these little kind of floral arrangements I thought would be nice here as well.
Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now.
And we have another little end table over here that I keep these angel wings on. So I wanted to clean it off. You guys can kind of see the dust on there. Things get dusty really easily. Sometimes you can't tell it on camera, but yeah, it's so easy for dust to accumulate. So I wanted to wipe everything off and just add a few little decor pieces here.
Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time.
And now I'm just gonna vacuum over everything. This is always the last thing I like to do, just so I can get up anything that might have gotten on the floor from decorating.
So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night.
And the very last thing I'm gonna do is just add this blanket to the end of the sofa.
Imagine it's there. Imagine it's there.
Alright guys, so that is everything for this clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I really love the way that the decor turned out. I love the neutral colors. It's very cozy and inviting.
You don't have have to be so damn polite. No.
And if you guys would like to check out the LG OLED G10 TV, I will have a link in the description box below. Thank you guys again for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.
Just around the corner, babe, to do what we want.